Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change PayPal password if phone number changed. Open up the PayPal app. Tap on Forget Password. Now enter your email address and click on Next. As you can see, it only gives you the option to reset it through your phone number and not via email. Now open up the web browser. Here search support.paypal. Then click to open its site. You can use the Call Us option to get help. Or click on Password and Account Access. Then tap on Login Problems. It provides you the process to reset your password. You can follow the described process to change the password. If you still need help, then click on Call Us. Now from Call Customer Service, click to log in to your account. Or you can tap on the Call Us as Guest option. Now tap on the link to call them. Call them to let them know that you have access to your email, but you no longer have the phone number that was attached with your PayPal account, and that you're ready for any type of verification that might help them to verify your identity and hopefully again access back into your account. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.